The enigma of the lost swing in golf. Do your best one shot at a time, and then move on. Nancy Lopez. Amateur and professional golfers face a particular kind of anguish that surfaces every now and then. The sensation of a lost swing. What once felt smooth, effortless, and rhythmic can suddenly feel awkward and uncoordinated. Just like that, the shots start to stray off the intended path, causing a golfer to wonder, where did my swing go? This blog is my humble effort to explore this mysterious phenomenon, its potential causes, and ways to find that lost swing. The mind-body disconnect. One of the primary reasons behind a sudden disruption in a golfer's swing can be psychological. Golf is as much a mental game as it is a physical one. Stress, pressure, overthinking, or even the fear of repeating past mistakes can create a mental block. This state of mind can prevent us from executing a shot as they usually would, leading to a feeling of a lost swing. The subtle drift of mechanics. Often, the loss of a swing isn't an overnight phenomenon but a result of small, incremental changes in our technique. Over time, without regular checks, these small changes accumulate and deviate from the original, effective swing pattern. Such changes can include alterations in grip, stance, backswing, or even the follow-through. What feels like a sudden loss is often the culmination of these unnoticed drifts in mechanics. Physical factors. Physical fitness and well-being play a crucial role in maintaining a consistent golf swing. Injuries, fatigue, or even subtle changes in physical conditioning can result in a swing that feels off. Something as simple as muscle tightness can affect the range of motion, disrupting the usual rhythm and fluidity of the swing. Equipment misalignment. Golf equipment, particularly clubs, are tailored for precision. Even minor wear and tear, or using clubs not suited for one's style or body type, can make a huge difference. It's not uncommon for us to feel a disconnect with our swing simply because our equipment isn't optimal for us. Rediscovering the lost swing. Now, while the reasons behind a lost swing can be multifaceted, the journey to rediscover it often requires a blend of physical, technical, and mental recalibrations. Go back to basics. Often, the best way to correct a wayward swing is to strip it down to the fundamentals. Revisiting the basics of grip, stance, and posture can provide clarity on what might be going wrong. Record and analyze. In today's digital age, recording one's swing and analyzing it has never been easier. By comparing the current swing with a previously effective one, we can spot differences and make necessary adjustments. Seek expert guidance. Sometimes, an external perspective can be invaluable. Golf instructors can offer insights and corrective measures that might be hard to spot for the individual golfer. A whole variety of online advice is available on YouTube and golf channels. Mental reset. Techniques like meditation, visualization, and even taking a short break from the game can help in resetting the mind, alleviating stress, and regaining lost confidence. Check equipment. Regularly assessing and adjusting golf equipment ensures it remains a help, not a hindrance. This could mean regripping clubs, adjusting loft and lie angles, or even switching to a different club altogether. In conclusion, while the sensation of a lost swing in golf can be disheartening, it's important to remember that it's a natural part of the holy journey of golf. By approaching the issue with patience, analysis, and perhaps a bit of professional guidance, that cherished swing can be rediscovered and even improved upon. After all, every setback in golf, as in life, is an opportunity for a comeback. Don't be satisfied with stories, how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth. Rumi.